Hello, welcome to my channel. This is another video kind of like related to the map and set. And when I introduce map and set, I also introduce the methods like .keys, .values, .entries. All of them will return iterable, and we can use them to loop to get keys from map and values from map and key value pair as an array from map. And the same ideas also exist in the set. And here another one in object we do have. Okay, but the object is a little bit different from the map and the set, because when we use inside map and set, we use the object of the map itself, .keys, .values. Here, those are kind of like a static method inside the object, this class, which is Object.keys will return array of keys of the object. Values will give an array of values. Entries will return an array of key value pairs. But they are actually kind of like a static. They are static methods on the object class, and you pass the object here. Now let me show you examples. Okay. I will go to here. Let me see. Here and. Here I will add another, which is object keys values entries .html. Okay, and here HTML5, and I will add a script here. How to do? Yes, suppose we have an object const obj, and it has like a first name John, last name and Smith, and here also have age is 20. So this object have three properties and along with values, and we can use let me use a person. Okay, and the difference it's different from the map. We'll use, it's supposed to be map. Okay, we'll use .keys like this way. Okay, but for object we use Object.keys, and here we pass what? We pass a person, and then it will return all the keys, and we can do it will return iterable. Since it's iterable, we can use for of let key of like this way. Okay, and then we will console log key. And now let me open in the browser to show you the result. Okay, here I will make this one to be this side, and then I'll make this one to be exit from the full screen, left, and here we'll go to right, and then inspect. Okay, console. You will see first name, last name, age, which are all the keys from a person. And if we want to get values only, okay, you can use object, which is a class. Okay, dot values, and you give the person here. And in this case, as we predict, it should be John Smith and 20, right? And here we'll have John Smith and 20, and last one is for let, which is entry of Object.entries. Okay, and here we give person, and if I print the entry, it should be an array and it contains key value pair. The first element is key, second element is value. Okay, see here, 2 is an array, and you can use 0 and 1 index to get them. Okay, so that's it for object key value and entries. Just use them when you need. Okay, and here it doesn't one thing about the key and the values, that it doesn't list for its parent thing, which is the properties you inherited. It only lists its own. When we talk about object more like prototype inheritance in JavaScript, you will understand more. Person is an object, it has a parent. Okay, and we don't list the parent ones, only its own property, kind of like that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. It's pretty short, and see you next time. Bye bye.